Hello everyone. So how you can change your default save location in your Chrome browser? Okay, so how you can do that? Okay, so first of all, open the Chrome browser. I'll open it. Okay, now you can see my Chrome browser. You can see the three dot in right hand side. Okay, you can see here. Click on three dot, then go to the settings. Okay, the second last option. Okay, click on settings. When you click on settings, you can see in left hand side there are lots of options. Okay, you can select the download option. Okay, so select the download option. Okay, when you select the download option, you can see there are lots of options. Yeah, here is the location change. Okay, I can change my location where I want to download my anything. Okay, any file, any data, any video, anything. Okay, so I can change any location. If you want to select, just suppose that you want to download from document. Okay, so just select and select folder. Okay, I don't want to change, so that's it, and I cancel it. Okay, and also you have the option that ask where to save each file before downloading. Okay, so you can enable it. Whenever you trying to download something, it will ask where I want to download, where should it be download. Okay, and also you can it's by default check, so you, if you want to uncheck, you can uncheck it. Okay, the download where, so downloads when they are done. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Okay, bye.